Okay, YouTube, today we're going to learn how to fix your headphone jack on your iPod Touch first gen. Same shit goes for second gen and third gen. Bought this piece of shit crap on eBay. Fucking cocksuckers sold me 2 headphone jacks. One's the first gen, the other one's the one's the first gen, the other one's the second gen. This right here, this motherfucker right here. This shit, look out. This shit. Let's open this. Right here is your first gen headphone jack. I don't know if you can see it too well, but you don't need to install this shit on your iPod first gen. Because thing is, you know, I found a solution to where you can fix it. And pretty much, you know, solve the problem to your headphone jack. You know, it's an easy fix. What you are gonna need is a soldering iron and solder. And let's get to work. Let me just give me 1 second. Let me just take the iPod cover off. What we're gonna have to do is see iPod first gen. There you go. And I bought this iPod off Craigslist, 8 gigabyte, first gen, from some cocksucker on Craigslist, and the fucker failed to tell me that the headphone jack was not working. So what am I gonna do is, you gotta do first, you gotta open up the iPod Touch. You gotta open it and see what's up. So you open this thing. There it is right there. Alright. And the headphone jack is right here. And you're gonna see it's got 4 little rectangles like that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna solder these 2 together. The two that are in the middle, you're gonna solder them together with your soldering iron. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. Once you solder them together, that's it. It should be working. What you do, you connect your headphones, put music, it's right here, and that one's working, and this one's working. That's working. This one's also working. So there you go. Fucking working, man. Fucking Mexican move that I made here. Because I am fucking Mexican, so, you know, that's all you gotta do. Easy fix. Just solder the 2 little rectangles in the middle so they can make contact with each other. And that's it. You have a functional headphone jack on your iPod Touch first thing. So rate my video and subscribe, and that's it. Later.